What's up, guys? This is Fully Storage RC. Today I got my Arrma Limitless V2. The point of this video today is just to run my Limitless. It's nothing really, the comparison, I don't have the new one, but my thing is I want to give my insight on the new Limitless they have out. My thoughts about it. I'm like, what? Okay, my tire came off. Maybe that's why that lug was in the back of my car. See, this is what happened when you talk bad about Arrma. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do the speed test like I wanted to. I'm just drifting around a little bit. That's about it. But my thing is, what's the point of a new Limitless? Mainly come as rollers, and it's like when you think Limitless, you think of your own builds. Now it is nice if you've never had one. And not to mention, it comes with a center diff and a spool, so it's your choice, your option. You can make it an on-road basher or a speed car. Those are some nice speeds, 120 out the box. Once you add the optional gearing, that is not bad at all. Let me take these tires, but I'm gonna still talk while I'm taking these tires. Yeah, I think the Limitless was a waste. Some people might benefit from that car, but usually when it comes to speed cars, you kind of want to build it yourself. I don't know if I should be doing a speed test one-handed with this car. Oh, we got a blown tire, blown tire. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do no speed test. Tire is blown. Let's see what tire it is. Yeah, that back tire is blown right there. I mean, I wasn't really doing a speed test. I'm just messing around, but let's see what speeds we got out of this. 85 miles an hour. Wow. That's on a blown tire, like 85 miles an hour. I was looking for 90, but I think that's gonna be playing myself. But yeah, well, back to this new Limitless. I just don't see the purpose of it. I mean, it's a nice price for what it come with, 120 miles an hour out the box, but it's just, if you into the hobby, you really don't need that. Oh. All right, let me stop our brakes on. So I can change this out, put some GRPs on there real quick. Be right back. Yo, I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead, but this was just messing around. Just want to talk about that new Limitless. And I think this one is just fine. The V1 and the V2 is just fine. You kind of get no better than that. Just need bigger battery trays. That's about it. But as for a better performer, like it's a faster car out the box. As performance wise, I can't see it being too much better than the V1 and the V2. But that's just my personal opinion. I don't know for a fact. But in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on the new Limitless V3. I'm gonna stick to the V2. Now, if I can run across a V3 for a nice, super cheap price, then maybe I'll be more enticed. But when it comes to Limitlesses, me personally, only my opinion, I'd rather build it than come out the box fast. But it leaves you to the place where, all right, basically what they did is add a Servo too. They added the Servo ESC and motor to make it hit that 120, and it does hit 120. I've seen a few videos. JT is one of them. He hit 120 in it with no problem. Actually 120 plus. So that's nice out the box. That's the fastest. That's the world fastest out of the box car so far. Nothing you're gonna get gonna come 120 out the box. You always gonna have to add something, but that one actually comes 120 miles out the box. These you gotta build them up. You kind of gotta earn that with the the original Limitless. You gotta earn that speed. I feel like you're cheating when you use that, to be honest with you. I'll say it that way. That's how people gonna feel like I'm cheating. I'm cheating on the yeah, most people gonna feel like I'm cheating. I look at it as you kind of cheating. If we go out to a speed run together, I'm hitting like 110, you hitting 120. I'm like, well, your car was kind of built already like that, so it's like you're kind of cheating there. Put that work in. Hit them high miles per hour off your hard work. I think that's more satisfying than getting a car out the box at that speed. But like I said, that's only my opinion. It's not a bad car. I ain't gonna lie, it's not a bad car. If you don't have a Limitless and you wanted one, that's the car to get. That is the car to get. If you don't have one, I'm not saying you can't work for that speed though, but since we'll look at it like this, since that car is 120 out the box, you wanted to hit 170 by the time you're done with it. So it got you up there. So yeah, this is my Typhon that did not do anything. Okay, now back to the Limitless. So it is a good car to get if you never had one, but that speed out the box is off the charts. No other car comes like that. But if you want to earn your spot, well, you can still earn it with that. You got 120 out the box, you make it hit, like I said, 150, 160, 170, 200 miles an hour. It's all up to you. I like that car. It's nice. I may get one in the future, far in the future, when I have nothing else to do. But now, for now, what I'm doing with my old vehicles, if y'all notice I haven't had any new vehicles, I'm gonna upgrade my old ones. Like my Limitless right now, I see it need repairs. Not only did the tire blow, but that's minor. I see one of my hubs is messed up, so I gotta fix that, and I did not know that until I took it out today. So I need to upgrade some of my cars, fix some of them, tune them, all that good stuff. But enough rambling. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. More coming soon, and I'm out.